Once upon a time, in the serene valleys of ancient China, there lived a wise old monk named Master Lai. He was renowned for his wisdom and was the head of a prestigious monastery. His teachings were sought after by many, and his disciples came from far and wide to learn from him. One day, a young novice named Xiao joined the monastery. He was eager to learn and had a thirst for knowledge. However, he was also impatient and often interrupted others when they were speaking. He believed that he knew the answers before the questions were fully asked, and this habit often led to misunderstandings. Master Lai noticed this trait in Xiao and decided to teach him a lesson about the importance of effective communication and listening. He called Xiao to his quarters and asked him, "Xiao, can you tell me what the sound of one hand is?" Xiao was taken aback by the question. He thought for a moment and then replied, "Master, there is no sound. A single hand cannot clap." Master Lai smiled and said, "Is that so? Have you listened carefully enough to hear the sound of one hand?" Xiao was confused. He spent the next few days trying to understand the meaning of Master Lai's words. He held his hand up, moved it around, but he could not hear any sound. He became frustrated and decided to confront Master Lai. "Master," he said, "I have tried, but I cannot hear the sound of one hand. It is impossible." Master Lai looked at him and said, "Xiao, the sound of one hand is not something you can hear with your ears. It is something you must listen to with your heart. You were so quick to answer that you did not take the time to truly understand the question. The sound of one hand is the silence that exists when we quiet our minds and truly listen to others. It is the understanding that comes from patience and empathy." Xiao was humbled by Master Lai's words. He realized that he had been so eager to speak that he had not taken the time to listen. From that day forward, he made a conscious effort to listen more and speak less. He learned to value the silence and the wisdom it brought. The story of Xiao and the sound of one hand spread throughout the monastery and beyond. It served as a reminder of the importance of effective communication and the power of listening. It taught that true understanding comes not from speaking, but from listening with an open heart and mind. And so, the sound of one hand became a symbol of wisdom, patience, and understanding. It reminded everyone that sometimes the most profound truths are found not in words, but in the silence between them.